model, 2012 Peugeot Expert Dispatch TEPEE 1.6 HDi L1 Comfort Micro Camper. Very nice smiling face with hearts. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 82,085. MOT, 31 January 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UTED4, E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. These turbos are simple to replace. Any competent mechanic will tell you the same. Absolute parking for someone. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in excellent condition. Interior is in very clean condition. Rear camping area is in lovely condition. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.